We did it. Done. Good morning, you guys. I hope everyone's doing really well and happy Christmas Eve. Well, actually, by the time you see this, Christmas would be over. But anyways, it's Christmas Eve here in the Cayman Islands. It is actually 11:30 and we are on our way to do some last minute things because we are having a little Christmas gathering at our house tonight around 6 o'clock. Not more than 10-15 people, possibly just 10. But I do have some things to cook. I do have some last minute gifts to get. I need to get my sister a gift. Ronnie had already gotten her a gift, but I want to add to that. And then I need to get Ronnie's gift. I was looking for it yesterday and I couldn't find it. So I need to, I'm panicking because I want to make sure I get the right. I know what I want and I just can't find it. But before I do that, I'm going to stop at the nursery because I need to get some fake flowers. Again, I know the type of fake flowers that I want. They're on Amazon. They're in my shopping cart, but I just didn't order them in time. So now I'm scurrying around locally to see what it is that I can find for my dining table. You guys, we got our dining table. I think I said that in the last video, and I started decorating it, thank you, yesterday. And I think it looks really nice. Ronnie made a good point that it didn't make any sense to get Christmas decorations for the dining table because it's just for one day. If I could have found decorations that can last all year round, which I think I did, basic greeneries and a couple candles, and I think it looks really nice. So I think he's gonna go out and buy some plates. If not, we'll just use what we have. But I'm trying not to panic because I'm pregnant and I need to be taking it easy, even though yesterday we did a whole load of running around, dropping off last minute gifts to friends and family and clients. But that's fun stuff for me. I love doing that. I love giving. So that wasn't an issue. It's just that when I got home, it was late. By the time I put Xavier to bed, I had the worst back pain. My vomiting started back up again. I feel like when I overexert my body, it screams out for help. And I did not fall asleep until 1 o'clock because I was just literally in pain from head to toe. Ronnie was going to massage me, but I'm just like, oh, don't even bother. I'm literally miserable, and I just was feeling so icky. But I'm feeling better this morning, thank God. So I'm going to try and take it easy. I'm only making 3, maybe 4 things. A couple of the people in the group, they have religious dietary restrictions, and then others, I know what they like to eat. So we are getting a couple things catered, and then I'm just going to add like Kabobs and other finger food, simple things, because everyone's just coming to like socialize, play games, hang out for Christmas Eve. So it should be quite nice. It's quaint. The only unfortunate thing is that we don't have our house completely furnished, knowing that we just moved in a couple months ago, but I think everyone understands and we're doing the best that we can. And y'all, like I said in the last video, I am not stressing. I'm trying not to stress overly stress out because, you know, I have to be good to my mind, my body, my baby. I just have to keep it easy, take it easy, like not make a big deal out of things. And this isn't a big deal. This, like, again, it's just family and friends. They care about us, they love us, they want to come hang out with us. Hopefully the food turns out good. I am rushing to get home though because I want to marinate the tofu and like start preparing, because Ronnie made a point again that every time we have a gathering, I'm like the last person showing up to the gathering because I'm always in the kitchen like 2 minutes before people start knocking on the door, and then I have to run in to go bathe, and then I have to take care of Xavier. So anyway, Xavier's in the back seat, right on cue. He was like acting up this morning. I don't know. He was just in such a good mood and he wanted to jump and run all over the place, but he's good. So yeah, that's what we're doing. We're gonna run out to the nursery, to a couple stores in central town, and then to the grocery store. Hopefully Ronnie can go to the bulk store to get like some bigger items, paper towel, toilet tissues, plastic plates and stuff like that, because I don't have the time. But if he can't go because he's out doing errands as well, then I'll just go pick those up. But yeah, take you along shopping with me, and it's a beautiful day here in the Cayman Islands, so it's pretty much beautiful every day. But y'all, can I just say that my fireplace is a vibe? It's such a vibe. I am just obsessed with my fire. It's like the ultimate candle experience. If you're a candle girl, you need to get yourself a fireplace because just looking at it calms the soul. Anyways, all right, let me get back to driving and get to where we need to go because it's gonna be a long day and I'm already tired, but feeling good and feeling happy. And who is shopping with mommy today? Okay, let's go. Not seeing still. These are beautiful. I might get some of the green ones for the living room, but I'm not seeing anything for the dining table. Xavier, do we have to be so loud? Thinking this might be a good option for the living room. I don't know. I texted Ronnie to see what he thinks. It's hard with this one. He's wanting to run around. I don't want him touching anything.
Entertain your wildest interior design dreams.
All right, so we are here at a mall. I got eucalyptus for the living room. I don't know how I feel about it. We'll see when I put it together, but that's what it's gonna be for the time being until I can place my Amazon order. And then I got like some fake something to put in the middle of the dining table. Again, we'll see if it looks good. If not, it'll have to work for tonight, and then I will get my act together and place the order for the things that I actually want. But this is just to get us through the holidays. We are now gonna go look for Ronnie's gift, my sister's gift, and then I forgot this. There's a person that works here that he's always really nice to me and helps with parking and stuff like that, so I want to get him something as well. So I'm gonna do that and then rush to the grocery store because it's 12:15. My stomach is feeling really sick. I don't want to start puking, but I think it's inevitable, and so I want to get home. Yeah, the puking started, but anyways, let me rush through here and go to the store so I can get home, get Xavier his nap. Yeah, that came out hella quick. Anyways, sorry. The perks of being pregnant. This is my little bump today. I'm feeling a little better. So yeah, let's run in, get these things. Hopefully I can find Ronnie's gift because that's giving me anxiety. And then how do I get past here now? And then Cookie's gift. And the gift for the gentleman, and then I can get to the store because I don't know how much longer I can be on the road. So we are back home. It's 3:30. I'm still in my car because Xavier's sleeping, and y'all, I was on a puking spree. Like, it was bad. I mean, I think you saw a glimpse of it, and then I thought I was feeling better. I got the gifts. I was happy about that. And then en route to the supermarket, it just went downhill from there. Ronnie went and got some of the things, which is good. That helped me out. So I was able to muster up every energy I had to do the groceries. Even poor Xavier was getting a little annoyed. I had to stop and feed him some applesauce. So like I said, he's sleeping. I'm in my parking, I'm here at my house, but I didn't even have the energy to take him out. I need to change him and put him in his crib and then unload the groceries. And it's already 3:30, but luckily Ronnie says that we're not going to start until 7, so that kind of gives me time. I'm also not even going to bother to re-shower. I showered this morning, but I was going to shower again, do my hair. No, I'm just surviving today. So I'm gonna have to just look just like this. I'll change my clothes, change Xavier, and then we're just gonna host, and that's it. Because y'all, the morning sickness is hella real right now, and I can't do much more than what I'm doing, unfortunately. How did Bryce get down here? Anyways. So yeah, I'm just gonna eat this food that I picked up from the grocery store and think about life for a second, and then unload the groceries, put Xavier up in his crib, and get started with the cooking. I'm making, I don't know if I mentioned this, but I'm making kebabs, so that's the first thing I'm going to season and get in the oven. And then the bruschetta, I will season that up, cut that up, but I mean, that's something that I can put together right before people start coming. And then the vegan sausage rolls, I prefer to do my own sausage meat, if you will, but I just realized I wasn't gonna have the energy and likely the time. So I found some vegan sausage. This isn't the one that I really like, but I think if I add some chutney to it and like season it my way and then put it in the pastry shell, it should be nice. I'm hoping, fingers crossed, that it turns out good. And Ronnie's picking up the other things that we got catered, and I think that's it. So yeah, a bit of a downer that I'm feeling really sick. The morning sickness is, my hyperemesis is killing me at this point. But I'm pregnant, and this is what it is. So I'm gonna eat my food and then get to work. I'm obsessed. I've got to move all these things. Many of those gifts still need to be wrapped. And then so this is gonna have to be dealt with in the new year. Bonnie's making a glass door to cover that up, and then that's where I wanted to put the fake flowers that I bought. I don't know how they're gonna work. I end up getting eucalyptus. Why is this not focusing? I got eucalyptus, so let's try it and see how it looks. I guess I can turn those on. And yeah, here's all the groceries that I need to. Lonnie just left. He's got to go deal with some other things for me. So I'm gonna pack all these things away. He went to the bulk supply store, and that's the food that we got catered. And also he got some sushi. So yeah, I've got my job in for me. It is now 4:30. Baby's sleeping, which means I have like an hour to get cooking, get these things done, and then y'all, this is just too much pressure. Anyways, fun times. All right. This is what we're looking like. Bonnie put that frame up today. There's more things supposed to go, but you know what? We just moved a couple minutes ago. So this is my little decor so far. I'm gonna try the flowers that I bought to see how it's gonna fit over there. I don't think Bonnie got the plates. So I think everything else might have to be bare for the time being. But eventually I would want to have placeholders and, you know, really decorate the table how I like. But in the meantime, this is it. Okay, so this was my little centerpiece. Y'all don't even... It is what it is, and I'm okay with it. I think it's cute. 2 different types of green, sucks, but this was sort of like the inspiration I saw on Pinterest, something simple, and I wanted the different greens in the picture to pull up on the table. So anyways, I can't waste time on this. I have to mop and I have to cook. did it. And I'm tired. Merry Christmas, you guys. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye. Your Bruschetta is the bomb! Gummy!
Family application.